don't know when this is gonna start. Shit. Okay. Oh, now I know. Yay me. Jenny Quack with a bag for Daisy out in the shack with a booty girl. Okay as hell, blessed with beauty. Coming rich and making it turn down. She caught the island with no man dancing. One time in London and I'm so dressed. She had the looks, he had the mansion. You can figure out the rest. Dripping in diamonds, sipping on champagne. She was all uptown wearing that white gown, singing his last name. You can hear those church bells ringing, ringing. Up in what they whole choir, singing, singing. Fortress to close your eyes. Yeah, it's all gonna be alright. You can hear those church bells ringing, ringing. Yeah, they're ringing. Jenny was hosting June League parties and having dinner at the country club. Everyone thought they were Ken and Barbie, but Ken was always getting way too drunk. Saturday night after a few too many, he came home ready to fight. All his money could never save Jenny from the devil living in his eyes. It was all bruises, covered in makeup, dark sunglasses. That next morning, sitting in the back pew, playing with the Baptist, shaking in those church bells, ringing, ringing. Up and off that whole choir, singing, singing. Fortune to close your eyes, yeah, it's all gonna be alright. Just listen to the church bells, ringing, ringing. Yeah, they're ringing. Jenny slips up in this tasty whiskey. No long man was ever gonna find, and now he died. It's still a mystery. He met a woman for the very last time. She could hear those church bells ringing, ringing. Standing there in a black dress, singing, singing. Fortune to close your eyes. Yeah, it's all gonna be alright. Just listen to the church bells ringing, ringing. Yeah, they're ringing.